Scanning group 3, clear, move to station 4.
Copy that, moving now.
The biometric scanners are reading 98% accuracy.
Good. Keep monitoring the thermal levels near Section C.
The somatic cell count is within acceptable parameters.
Good. Let's maintain the current rotation speed.
Temperature holding steady at 72.5.
Roger that. Flow rate is optimal.
We're holding steady at 3 degrees Celsius.
Good, log that in the report.
Check the viscosity reading on panel 3.
It's within the optimal range. We are right on schedule.
Check the consistency on this batch.
Looks good. Slight variation on the third one down.
In this state-of-the-art facility, precision robotics ensure that every bottle is filled and capped in perfect synchronization.
Check the tension settings on line 3. Watch the left side. Clear, bring it in. We need another ramp over here.
automated system is engaged.
Confirmed. Starting the conveyor sequence.
We have a priority shipment on belt 7.
Send it to chute 12, expedite the process.
This pallet goes to bay 4 and make sure it's logged on the manifest.
Got it, stacking it now. Keep that stack organized by product code.
All right, I'm heading to the back room now.
That'll be $350.
Yeah.
Did you find everything okay?
Yep, all set.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Here is your receipt. All right, sir. Here are your bags. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
As the sun sets, the vast complex continues its relentless work, a symphony of steel and steam powering our world. Deep within the industrial heartland, the factory runs ceaselessly, turning raw materials into the lifeblood of the modern world.